Introducing Dcipherfm for menswear. Wow, the autumn-winter 2021 season is here, and what a nice season. Opening up with 10 of the magic color waves that are so specific from the Dcipherfm studio, where they do their own color dyeing, where the swatches are large and in cotton and translated into color waves, so you really see how the colors evolve. Yeah, this is why a lot of people love this specialist colorist design service. And after the 10 color waves, the forecasting and the whole curation of the season evolves into trends. So how you can use the colors the best way and where the trends come from. So the references, the storytelling, the colors, the combinations, and who is the consumer overall. And all the swatches you see are also real swatches, which is one of the few in the world to really swatch every color wave they do. So Dcipherfm for menswear, it's here. We encourage you to set up a meeting, and we'll be happy to present it to you somewhere, wherever you are in the world. See you out there. Thank you.